management seminar class filled with gratitude and optimism. As we promise each other's assignment for tonight, we ask your holy presence, O Lord, to enlighten our hearts and minds with joy and humility. Bless our time, O God. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Evening, everyone. This is welcome to Go Mag Show, your favorite business insider show. How are you, Miss Anne?
I'm doing well. I'm
You look
very
so
much
pretty
excited.
tonight.
Thank you so much, Miss Karen. Thank you as well, Miss Jerry.
Of
Tinatawag
course,
ko din yung mga
of
mga
course, to
favorite
catch up with the Gen
Yeah.
Zs, we have many Gen Z audience. I'm so grateful, attitude of gratitude, and excited, of course, because of course we have to get to work live as a team, and also we have a very special guest for tonight.
Yes, absolutely. So very soon, we're gonna share his entrepreneurship journey and the secret of her success. So,
Let
before we will introduce him, let's
let's watch
watch.
this.
In June 2000, a simple food cart named Burp Snack Bar opened its doors with a humble yet delicious offering: sandwiches and french fries. This small snack bar quickly became a favorite spot for students looking for a fast, tasty bite between classes. Little did anyone know that this small venture would grow to become a staple in Cebu, with its pilot branch in Cebu Institute of Technology. Over the years, Burp Snack Bar successfully expanded. It grew from one outlet with single food cart and now into more than 30 outlets scattered across the top universities and schools in Cebu. Each outlet evolved, adding more meal options, drinks, and snacks, catering to the diverse tastes of the growing student population. However, pandemic came. The COVID-19 crisis forced the closure of all its outlets. But as the schools slowly reopened and life returned to a sense of normalcy, Burp Snack Bar found its way back to serving the community. While Burp Snack Bar was adapting to the new challenges, another opportunity was on the horizon. In 2021, the African swine fever hit the local pork supply hard, forcing many meat retail businesses to close their doors. However, this created a perfect opportunity for a new venture: meat retailing. Enter Harvest Meats, born out of the need to meet the demand for quality meats during a time of scarcity. In April of that year, Harvest Meats opened its first retail outlet as a concessionaire at Gaisano Grand Mactan, offering its in-house brand, Mega Value. Despite its recent start, Harvest Meats saw rapid success. The brand quickly expanded, now boasting 43 meat retail outlets spread across Cebu province. Currently now in its temporary office in Banawa and eyeing to transfer to its ongoing construction of main building in Talisay by the end of the year, its corporate name Cebu Harvest Food Supply and Trading has now ventured into meat wholesaling, distributing imported pork, beef, and chicken products to retailers not only in Cebu but also in Dumaguete, Bohol, Leyte, and Samar. In the span of just 4 years, both businesses showed remarkable growth and resilience. Burp Snack Bar had weathered the storm of the pandemic, while Harvest Meats emerged stronger after the ASF crisis. The future looked bright as both business ventures continued to serve the people of Cebu in their own unique ways. Burp Snack Bar feeding the hungry students, and Harvest Meats supplying high-quality meat products to families and businesses alike. What a Go Magnegosyo inspo!
Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome the man of the hour, Mr. Lemuelco. Sir, good evening.
Good evening,
Thank you for coming.
sir.
Have a seat. Sir Lems, how's the Cebu traffic?
Well, it's better because it's Sunday. So yeah.
Good to know.
Yes, thank you, sir, for saying yes for this interview. It's really an honor.
Yes, and so and for the information of the audience, we'd like just to share that it really took us a while to convince this man for this interview because of their company mantra to really keep it as low profile as possible.
Yes.
Thank you, Sir Lems.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. Thank you for having me here on your first ever episode
Episode of Go
Hopefully not.
Magnegosyo.
Go Mag Negosyo.
Yes.
Actually, mixed feelings, no? Actually excited at the same time. Medyo kulba ba? I haven't done this before, so but I think it's about time to being able to share also my experiences with the business, especially to those people nga interested mag-business.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah.
Sir Lems. And
Yes.
since you've already mentioned business, I'd like to start now with your canteen, the Burp. Sir, can you share us the story behind the Burp? Is this an inherited business or did you start it from scratch?
Yeah. Actually, we started from scratch. It happened 25 years ago.
Wow.
Oh. Year
Wow.
2000.
Taon na yun, sir.
Taon na yun. I was already working for San Miguel at that time, San Miguel Campo Carne. Our products mainly are hot dogs, hams, dilata. And my girlfriend back then, my wife now, Emeline, she's here actually.
Oh, Ma'am Emily
Hi,
is here
sir.
with us. Thank you, Ma'am, for the support.
Sana all.
Yeah. So, uyab kami actually. We're both came from USJR. So,
GR.
yeah, proud of USJR. Diri na buo ang among love story.
Wow.
So, I talked to her actually katong time because there was something that came into my table nga kuan program na mo sa San Miguel before. We call it Kumandog. So it's just actually a food cart concept. We are trying to sell hot dogs, hot dog on stick, hot dog sandwiches. Then I said to her na, oh, nindot lagi ni nga idea. Maybe we should try this because katong time, fresh grad pa lang siya. I told her nga, if the business will fail anyway, there's still a lot of time for her to look for a job. So might as well venture into business kaysa mo go directly siya manarbaho. Yeah. So moto nangita mig venue. So the first one was CIT.
The Cebu Institute of Technology.
Yeah, now CITU. Moto among first, we approached the owner, Mrs. Villamor, and asked her if pwede ba mi mo rent og space sa canteen to sell hot dogs. Unfortunately, ingon siya nga, just look for another product because there's an existing policy of no duplication. So, dito mi nahulog sa French fries. That was our first product, ang French fries. So, fast forward from French fries, yeah, karon kay daghan ng variety.
Inspiring start, Miss Anne.
Yes.
Do you have a college sweetheart?
Actually, diligent kay kuno student. I don't have a college sweetheart.
Lying.
Bawal pa manggod sa una.
Ganun,
Pero
eh.
sa masters, basin pwede. Like,
Siya.
crash. Anyways, going back to the interview, sir, why did you go into the food
Ah,
business?
yes, so
I'm
why
sure
the
na
food?
kay option
Why the
before.
food
Why
business?
food business?
Um, in doing business man gud ba, although kato nga time, ito mao'y naa sa, I mean, may opportunity ato nga time, no? We never really had anything in mind kung unsay amo ang dream business or what, no? It's about naa opportunity, you have to learn to kuan kana take those opportunities as it comes. So nindot, I mean, it was easy. It's an easy business, French fries. So we studied it how to start the business, kung sa imong mga kinahanglan, and that was it. So it was really about the opportunity. It's never about
So
nga mao na imong
it's
gusto.
like, sir, even it's a testament that even if it's not a dream business, you can still succeed, right?
Yes, yes. Everything can be learned
Oh,
actually.
yeah,
Yes.
agree, agree. So, sir, going back to the times when you still started, what are your challenges that you encountered?
Well, first of all, it's hard to start a venture, especially if limited ang support. Number one, we have to do everything from the planning to the implementation, funding, daghan kayo siya challenges nga ni encounter, among na encounter. So, for example, EMS was the first tindera sa CIT.
Oh, I salute ma'am.
So siya gid ang first na maligya og French fries.
That was her first job, official first job after
Official,
graduation.
yes, official. So in fact, there was some kanang murag problem na create with her parents. Of course, kay di naka-eskwela ba, naka-graduate, diba? Inana ba? Then yes, that she was expected to work after
Okay.
college, but mo na nag-venture me. And at the start, lisod jud to. I think tuwa ko masayop the first day that we opened, we only sold 3 pieces of French fries.
You must be discouraged at that
Kuyaw,
day.
oo, kulba,
Kuyaw.
kulba niya. But later on, nagkataas siya. Yeah. And next kuan pod is syempre funding. So what we did, I saved my salary katong nga time. So nagsikog save for several months. And Ems also was selling her cross stitch. Okay, usom tong cross stitch sa una. Oh, so ang katong yung mga products iyang gi-sell just to add to the capital. Then it wasn't enough pa gyud. So I have to borrow money from my friends and my relatives just to start up the business. It was so scary. I borrowed 5,000 from my auntie and I was so scared I will not be able to pay the amount. So lisod nga time. And I have to juggle from work and and doing the business. So at the end of the day, after off na ko sa work, I have to go to the supermarket to buy supplies and bring it to the store. And weekends we also do that. Um, but ang kanindot man gud ani when we started was we are very young. Uh,
And it's an advantage kay
yes,
medyo
energy level
napay energy.
mo, grabe ang energy level. If it happened now, murag alanganin. So, but anyway, we enjoyed the process. We enjoyed the learning curve. We enjoyed all the challenges nga niabot. So, yeah, basically mauna siya ang mga basic challenges. In experience, yes, gamay ra daghan tag mga sayop. So, but that's
I think
another
that's given.
yeah, that's another
Nag-start pa.
wonderful thing of being young. You still have a lot of time to recover.
Yes.
Yeah, basically that's it sa mga
Your
challenges.
startup.
We understand, sir, that this is a family business with your lovely wifey. What's the imong role sa company, sir?
As of now,
As of now.
Well, as of now, I appointed myself as the director of the company. Yeah, wala sila choice. Okay. My wife is the CFO or Chief Financial Officer.
she handles the cash.
Yeah.
Why
Handles the money.
So kung sa Binisaya,
Sweldoan ka niya, sir.
Oh.
boss
Sildoan
gyud na
mo,
nako.
ma'am.
Boss gyud na nako.
Boss.
So basically, ako yung mga tagwarta siya mo gasto. Inana, simple setup. Yeah. So as a director, my main function is actually setting the goal as a padong ang company, especially long-term goals of the company, and trying to make sure that it is also achieved.
Yeah.
So I meet with my staff regularly. I try to create a good relationship with our partners, and I have to make sure that the customers and the staff are being taken care of. So basically, mauna akong function sa kwan.
So going back to the canteen operations, you have in all major universities, right? In Cebu, you have branches. So are there any differences in the operations among these universities? How was it like?
Yeah, daghan siya differences. Just because lain-lain policies mainly sa mga universities nga naata.
Which is the easiest to deal with?
I don't want to sound biased, no, but USJR is one of the
Wow.
Wow, I'm so proud.
hands kuan gyud ang sa USJR. Sometimes I feel spoiled, no. Kanang kuan maayo gyud ang USJR,
Yung management.
maayo management. And they are very accommodating, especially if na may mga concerns. So dali ra gyud maistorya ang kuan.
So kudos to the finance office.
Of course, Ma'am
May I
Jahan.
insert which is the most profitable?
Most profitable, well, I could also say kaning US Germany na to nga outlet is one of the kuan highest grosser in
Ganun,
terms of
kusog mga unta taga USGR.
Kusog, pila ko kusog jud kayo ni. Ganyahan man gani na dira. Mm.
That's good business, Miss Anne.
Yes.
So mga a million sales in a day.
in a day, ha?
But kidding aside, sa mga most common challenges sa school canteen, sir? Like, unsa man nimo siya pag-overcome ba sa mga challenges?
Well, some of those we can never really solve. Like kanang daghan
Beyond your control. You mean
yeah,
beyond your control.
beyond our control, like non-working holidays. Sometimes may mga na
Daghan ba kayo sa
daghan
USJR?
kayo. Not dili lang sa
It affects
USJR.
sales.
Of course, zero. Zero, di ba? But we learned through the years nga we have to look at it as like 1 year ba ang dagan sa business, not really on per day basis. There are some months nga lugi kita, like summers and breaks. Sometimes we just have to maintain para napoy work atong staff usahay, or it's more difficult to restart manggod at the especially sa pagsugod og SEM. So may as well operate na lang. Kung break even, mas maayo kung siya
Better.
much better. But sometimes nagi mga kuan na losing yun siya. But overall in 1 year time, okay naman po, you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, considering the success of your branches, the burp, have it ever occurred in your mind to go into franchise?
Yes, basin ganahan ko mag-franchise.
Basin kami ang mga first.
Kamo ang first franchise. Yeah, daghan actually nag-ask na ko ana. Because they can see burp especially when they go around sa mga schools, makakita gid sila sa burp. But as of this moment, at this point, wala pa ko ni go into franchise yun. It's all company operated. Ang challenges magod with the franchise is I need to establish something nga kanang standard ba?
Standard product?
Standard products, standard system,
procedures.
yeah, and for everything. And then aside from that, I have to make sure nga kuan kanang the business owners or the franchisee will be earning money also. Yeah.
So I think Miss Anne, we have so much to absorb right here with Sir Levin's
Yes.
sharing.
Yeah, sir, what do you think is behind the success of burp?
Teamwork will be top sa kung kuan yun. Teamwork. Kami ni Ems, me and her is she's my best teammate yun ever since because I concentrate more on the sales and operations, siya sa finance side. She handles the money very well. So diha pa lang. And then also, syempre sa teamwork namo within the Burp company or Burp family, importante gyud kayo ang teamwork. Next, maybe adaptability to changes or to new challenges. Authenticity, syempre kinahanglan gyud nga naisalig pod ang ato ang mga customers nato and other business partners.
Sir, I may forget to ask,
Mm.
are you and ma'am are business graduate related background, or are you graduate of business related courses?
Both of us graduated uh, with computer science.
Si
Ano pala yun?
medyo layo-layo good siya.
Yeah, dugay na. I graduated 1998. She graduated year 2000.
I think that's another wow factor, no, for this successful businessman, Miss Anne.
Rabuyag, yes, yes.
So I guess we'll pause for a moment, Miss Anne, Sir Lems.
Up next, we'll be discussing to you about the meat shop of Sir Lemuel Co.
And
And
we'll be right
right
back
back
after
to
this
this
commercial break.
Asa ka tigpalitan sa kantin?
Siyempre, sa burp.
Ngano sa burp man?
Layo man ilang foods and I like the food choices, especially the fish fillet and the pork cordon bleu.
Asa ka tigpalitan sa kantin?
Sa burp.
Ngano sa burp man?
Kay ang ilahang food is worth it siya for a meal in a private school.
Okay.
So I love their fried rice and pork belly.
Asa ka tigpalitan sa kantin?
Sa burp.
Nganong sa burp man?
Kay, actually, I find their pansit ug tuna nga lami, and then, aside anak kay, masatisfy sad niya ang akong needs sa carbohydrates and protein.
Asa ka tigpalitan sa kantin?
Sa kuan mo palit kog lunch sa burp
Nganong sa burp man?
kay lamian ko sa ilahang kuan pakbet.
Asa ka tigpalitan sa kantin?
Sa burp
Ngano man sa burp?
lami kayo lang chicken burger.
Ano sa burp ka mo palit o pagkaon?
Once kay lamian ko pa especially ang mga tao sa burp say
And we are so back. For those who have just tuned in, this is
Go
Go
Magnegosyo.
with Sir Limuel Co.
Yes.
Sir Lems, now to your another business, your Cebu Harvest Meat business. I'm just curious, is this like, how's the operation like with your meat retailing? Is this similar like the popular Virginia products?
Yes, very similar. Actually,
okay.
more or less the same, rugged. The products are the same: pork, beef, chicken, and others like hot dogs and yeah, the likes. The main difference lang is we call it neighborhood meat shops. They are outside supermarkets. I'm inside supermarkets. So far, yeah, similar, but we are not really competing pa.
Not
Each
yet
other.
pa.
Yeah.
In terms of your location, strategic
Yes.
location. So you are inside the supermarkets.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, sir, where do you get your supply of meat? Maybe we have some
Yes, maybe we have from
friends there in the audience who would like to supply
Partner.
meat from you, like sa mga taga-karinderya nila, kaya or
supply directly to mga karinderias. Like that.
yes.
Yeah, napod tayong mga supplies. We supply directly from other mga restaurants. Yeah. But I get my supply on different suppliers. On my line of business, I cannot just rely on one. So I have to get from several sources just to make sure I have products to display. Lahi mangguta sa supermarkets, if wala tay display, basin
lain kay
yeah, actually
Basito ang display.
actually ma-penalize kita sa
There's a
supermarkets.
penalty clause sir sa
If,
iyong contract.
yeah, if wala tay display sa supermarket. So
Uh,
I get from local suppliers for pork, chicken, or beef, local suppliers. But I also get from imported mga importers.
you have
Or,
imports also.
Yeah, we also get from imports. Yeah, for those who would like to be partners with us,
Yes.
just PM is the key.
Guys, you've heard
Ayog lang.
from Sir Lemuel. PM is the key.
Yes.
This is an opportunity to partner with Sir Lemuel.
Pwede na daw ako mag-PM ron. Anyways, imagine 43 and counting meat retail outlets. Yeah. Then it's super hectic.
Yes,
sir,
how's your
handling
day like, sir?
all those outlets.
Just the director.
Yes.
I think my day is just like a typical working person, no?
So you wake up also at very early.
Normally I wake up around 5:30 or 6 o'clock. What I do is I exercise. First thing I do in the morning, so I run or
Just look at how fit Sir Dembaho.
not much.
Lahi na siya doon.
Businessman.
So after that, I plan my day. Asa mi mo adto ni M. So either we go to the bank or kuan. Then the rest of the day, yeah, I visit outlets or I meet with people. So basically that's it. Most of my time, naara gid ko mag-visit og mga outlet because that's also my job. Nang I had to make sure each outlet is being taken care of. So yeah.
So, how's the organization right now, sir? Mga pila naman katao inyohang or how many people are you working with or are you handling with?
Currently, we are close to 300 staff now.
That's already a lot.
Yeah, that's including everything.
Okay.
From the mga tindero to your
Yeah, to supervisors, to admin
to your
staff.
office
Yeah,
staffs,
yeah.
right?
Ito na, production staff. Yeah.
Ubay-ubay na sa doy.
Good, ano eh?
Oh yeah, sa tinod lang wala na ko kaila sa uban. Pero
But you have
It's part
you
of it.
have like company events to meet them all.
May mga Christmas party, like anniversary
it's
party.
very yes. We also have Christmas party, summer break. We do it like a team building thing para lang naatay opportunity to, socialize or mingle with our staff. But it's very difficult, especially for those supermarket staff. Kay naamagod
Their
sa
working hours.
Yes, lisod kayo sila kay we cannot really just pull them out.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Sa burp,
true.
no problem. Daghan mag-week klase, so we can do it, di ba?
Yes,
But
True.
supermarkets, I cannot. And even during Christmas parties, it's very difficult because our outlet is stretched from the north, from Bugo, all the way to Oslo, Mualboal. So it's very hard for me to gather everyone. So sa naa lang, sa naa lang.
Sir Lem, sorry I cannot let this pass because medyo
Kuyawan.
I'm pro
Kuyawan.
employee. I'm sure we are minimum wage compliant.
Oh yes, of
I
course, of
think.
course. All that is required by the government. We give it to the staff.
Also have
Yeah.
these permits, right, sir?
Yes,
or
kompleto
to-
tag permit.
Reports.
Yeah, of course. It is a requirement, so we cannot do business without those things. Although I would say, when you start, kay kani nga topic, it's more of para man sa mga gusto mag-start,
Oh,
no?
pwede.
There is such a thing as exemption sa minimum wage.
Kung gamay pa ang business, di ba?
Kung gamay pa ang business, you have to check it out under sa DTI. It's called BMBE, Barangay Micro Business Enterprise.
Yes.
So you just have to apply for that. Then if naa ka na, then kuhan siya kanang you're exempted sa minimum wage. At least it will
I'm
help
happy
you.
to hear that.
At least it will help
Yes.
you.
I've been working with payroll manggod for the past experience and maluoy po tag dili ma minimum.
But once you go bigger na, it is imperative that you give the
Additional.
Yeah.
Yes,
May mga bonuses na, sir.
sometimes.
Private na kayo pangutana, ma'am.
Depende sa kuan sa sales.
But sa
Like,
ang require naman sa government is minimum wage.
Yeah,
That's
minimum
one.
wage.
5 days leave,
Limited month.
13 month,
Yes.
SS PhilHealth
Yeah,
big.
statutory requirements,
Matingali.
remittances.
Yeah. Maura man na. Just comply with those or else you will get into trouble.
Yes.
So better have it settled.
To have peace of mind.
daghan kay kag consider just business like murag mangutkot na ko murag nagunahuna pa lang ko ba if ganahan ko mag-business.
Kaya mo yan. Yes.
Lisod jud din noon. I would
Sir,
say lisod.
Sir Lems, this one catches my attention in your FB page because I requested to us to be friends.
Yes.
Now this really catch my attention. What's the story behind this? Is this a marketing strategy? Look at this, guys. Of the presentation. Let's wait the next slide. Yeah, look at that. I've never seen that before.
Sige pa, more slides. Pag nag-loading man.
Okay.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this really catches my attention as a mother nga panagsara mag-grocery.
There's differences no daw kuno kami.
Yes. So magagita na ko aning ko ay kanina ba gud aning presentation or gituyo jud ni?
Ang husband na mo sige kita ani no.
Opo siya ni Chicas. Tell us the story.
Well, the story was simple. Somebody started it in one of my outlets nga iyang gipa beautify ang iyang display. So I decided last month pag February. So every week those participating outlets will try to submit their entry. So they have to kuan kanang paninduton like kana i-decorate nila.
Oh, nice
So
kayo.
so nindot sad siya kay the staff were very cooperative. They were very motivated and competitive. They try to kuan kanang mas paninduton pa ba every week ang ilahang mga display. At the same time, it catches the attention of the customers going into the
Yes, it's really aesthetic.
Yeah.
ang uban
Murag
Instagrammable.
mahadlok mabuntag tandugon sir, maguba ang maguba.
Maikot
Actually-
palit.
actually
Mabungkag.
tinod na ang uban dili mo palit kay hadlok sila mabungkag ang
Sa
display.
malupit tanas.
Dili man po ninon, it's just a day like every
Yeah.
day raman po to.
Okay.
Para lang na spice ba or na
Yes,
excitement
I
gamay.
think for your mga tindero, at least naa sila something to look
Ang ubang
forward.
customers actually mag selfie kay ala ko na i-post silang Instagram kay first time nila makakita og may mga ganun. But anyway,
Sa inyo
Yeah, it
hara,
was-
sir? Sa inyo hara ng
yes,
Oh.
outlets ra gid.
So unique sa
Or
dapat.
maybe wala patakita sa uban. But then
Harvest
that
meat.
is really nice. For me lang ha, nindot siya, who loves art.
Okay. Then sir, in expanding sa imong business ba, ano sa mga challenges na imong ma-encounter usually?
During expansion, ang number one yun na itong concern for me is funding. Very
Funding.
kuan kay very critical ang funding. Kay,
Expensive.
yeah, every time you expand, you need to spend also.
Yes.
So either like sa akong case, I need to buy tools, equipments. I need to buy trucks for the deliveries. I need to hire more people.
Yeah.
So it costs money. And speaking of funding, ako na lang i-plug.
Yes.
The
One of our group mates is working for BPI. Thank you, BPI. Si Ms. Cares. Very helpful, very helpful.
Yes.
So
Still like loans
yes, of course.
and
Ah.
specifically at BPI.
Specifically at BPI. BPI has been a very big help with the past 2 years business kid in terms of funding. So if you'd like to inquire about the loans of BPI,
Classmate.
nata si Ms. Cares base
So,
doon na lang Ms. Cares.
so in business sir, dili jud malikayan ang maka-loans
Loan.
for expansions, mga nana.
Yes.
just scary, sir.
It's scary, oy. Scary good. You just have to make sure nga ang funds nga imuhang na loan or imong loans will be used in the business or will be used in kanang na returns ba.
Yes. So
Kay sometimes magod if we think uy daghanan ako kwarta and I buy stuff that you do not need, so problematic yun ta dihang dapita. But if like sa among nga case, if we make a loan, we make sure nga among i-pour sa business to have returns. So para ma-pay off sa namang interest plus the principal and the business will continue. Loans are very powerful. Depende gyud na
Yes.
sa
paggamit.
and also very disastrous kung dili
If-
pod nimo magamit og sakto.
Yes.
So I don't believe nga naay negosyo nga ni dako without incurring loans. Yeah.
Yes.
Case to case basis sa burp nako kato pag on the start, di ba? I mentioned nga nangutang ko sa akong mga relatives because the bank will not entertain me at first.
Yes.
But later on, if they can see nga nindot ang imong business profile, they will entertain you sa mga loans.
Sir, I've just recalled kanina in my previous question nga you have imports from your supplies.
Mhm.
Yes.
So which is, or I don't know if the other your competitors have, pero sa inyong case is which do you prefer in your supply, local or the imports? Support local ka, sir?
No, the first consideration I have when it comes to supplier, maybe local or imported, it doesn't matter to me. It's reliability.
So,
So,
zero out pa lang ang
yes,
display.
I cannot say nga nindot yun ang local or nindot yun ang imported. And there's a lot of bad stories circulating, especially about import products, especially on meat, imported meat products. Ang ako pong bawo sana actually, I would ask the person who asked me nga, oy, imported ba na, blah, 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 na. Asa may mas labing ang chocolate? Imported or local, di ba?
Okay.
Yeah,
Like,
okay, I get na ko ana.
we always glorify imports. Kanang mo, masindot yun kung imported products lang. But how come when it comes to meat, maupod?
Yeah, the limitations in the local.
Limitations in the local, very unreliable ang supply.
I see.
And very erratic ang prices also local. Let's just say, ano yun siya, if I need a certain amount of pork, if I import to one container, example, if I buy one container, I am sure that one container is mine. But
Okay.
ang problem with local suppliers, I cannot really say if next month matagaan ko or next week inana, and I have to budget.
So wala kay assurance sa local day, bali sir?
Mauna ang challenge na to with the local market.
Okay.
Availability of supply, especially karon nga month. Usually mag-start of December until April. Very
Okay.
short yun na ang
Nahurot
pork.
naglitsyon
Yeah.
siguro, sir.
Lechon or
Basin.
yeah. And they have to ang ato magong dako gyud nga supply for local pork is backyards, not really bigger farms. Backyards gina. Kaya syempre ang backyards limited man nilang capacity. So
Yes.
after December, puro ilang baboy. So ang buhaton nila magbuhi sila. It will take them around 3 to 4 months before
Yes.
maka-harvest. Maunang April mo
Okay.
kuan.
So wala sa kanay consider
Yes,
sorry.
yes, oh.
Wala sa kanay consider sir na kanang mag himo po kag imong kuan
Vertical
farm.
integration, sir.
Yeah.
Like, you'll have your
Okay,
own.
farm.
Yeah, but it's a different beast to kuan na gyud, to wrestle with. Lisod manggod siya. Lahi ang
It's another
operation.
expansion
Yeah.
po siguro.
Lahi ang operation sa farm, and also the funding or the investment kay mong buhaton for something you are not really sure if mo click ba or dili is very big. You have to buy land, you have to put structure, and you have kanang to
You have
invest
your own
on
katong
sultats, yeah.
magbantay sa farm.
So lisod siya. So at this point, although wala man na nawala sa akong mind, no, to go into farming, but I
So
stick,
now,
I stick to retail. Because diha man po ang akong strength with sa retailing, not really on the farming side.
pwede ta mo vertical integration ni sir.
Pwede. Usap tayo.
Usap tayo. PMSK.
So sir, naghandaghan jud mi na learn from you, sir, ha. Naglumilom lang jud ka, sir.
Nakuha na sa ko, nangutkot na sa ko kay daghan na po da kay consider like kung ganahan ka mag-start sa imong business like okay, sarap yan tagdala sa kalibutan.
At this juncture, Miss Sarah, we are also encouraging from our audience if you have questions or comments or anything to share about your business experience or any plans. We have Sir Limuel who can maybe share also or can interact with us. So you can post your questions in the chat box or
you may raise your hands
to be acknowledged.
Yes. And we prepared a surprise for you guys. This time, Sir Lemuelco is giving away free gift checks.
Wow,
for
gift check.
participations and questions.
What's the gift check? What's the content of the gift check?
The bearer is entitled to one free rice meal plus drink of their choice and may be claimed at any burp outlet.
Especially to the undergrads.
Yes, the undergrads is very favorable for the undergrads who are here tonight, guys. Pag-post na yung question diha kay Ready Rami mo.
Yes.
So the mechanics is they can type in the chat box or they may raise their hands to be acknowledged. So again, they can claim these gift checks at the accounting office of USJR, care of Miss Anne.
Antoinette Bocanegra.
Again, this can be availed in any outlets of the Burp Snack Bar.
Yes.
So Miss, do we have questions now from the audience? Meanwhile, while waiting for our audience questions or comment or sharing, we do prepare for you something. This is our personal question.
Sobra.
Sir Lems, I'd like to start.
Kuyawan.
Sir Lems, I know with an impressive already portfolio in your business venture, I'm just curious, why you still take MBA?
Oh.
Diba? Murag,
curious sad ko ano, Miss Car.
Ako sad.
Sige, sir.
No, actually, I took up MBA 20 years ago. Same university. Actually, Dr. Ditoya was one of my professors.
Shout out to Dr. Ditoya.
Hi, Doc.
I don't know. I hope you don't remember me. Anyway. Yeah, but the goal that time was different. I was ambitious. I want to get promoted. So I took up masters. But when I got promoted, wala na inong ko ka-continue because I was so busy traveling around kay mao man parts akong job. Then after that, nag-concentrate ko sa business and we have multiple kids. So life happens.
People?
Oh,
Yeah.
tulo.
Kids do you have?
Tulo, tulo.
Tulo.
Oh,
So
family man.
I was busy in a way. Yeah, but finishing masters or during that time I was studying masters, one kanang unforgettable or kanang nalingaw man gud ko atong time. And things are different now after 20 years. Like
Still come back.
yeah, for personal reasons mostly. I will try to finish this as much as I can.
Yes.
Unless na circumstances nga dili na to makontrol nga I might be able to stop, but
Yes.
yeah,
But as of
listen,
now, this is your personal goal.
yeah, personal goal.
Unfinished business. Sir.
Unfinished business, yes. Oh, kanang the past year actually I was really pondering about returning, going back to school and trying to see unsay differences, especially it's 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Different siya na gid siya.
Sir, we're so lucky you come back at this trimester because you are now our guest.
Yes.
At the same time, I cannot. I'm sure I would learn a lot from the topics, especially from my classmates also.
Yes.
I can relate. I'm also not a returnee, but after 2 decades. Anyway, Miss Anne, we have already a question.
Yes,
there.
we have someone raising their hands.
Yes.
We have Sir Luis. You may unmute your mic.
Sir Luis. Yes, Sir Luis.
Hi. Yes, madungog ra ko?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Loud, loud and clear.
Okay. So, hi, Sir Lemuel. So, yeah, it's good you mentioned na narinig kay children, no? Because mauta na akong i-ask ba. When you started Burp, naana ba kay anak ato nga time and what was the struggle ba? Nagplan man sa good may business and nami duha ka children karon, duha ka bata karon ba nana. So, nag-sacrifice ba ka
Okay,
sa
thank you
time
for that
ana ba?
question.
Thank you, sir.
No, the burp started 25 years ago. So, kato nga time, I mentioned earlier, uyab pa mi ato. So, wala pa mi anak pag-start sa burp. Actually, burp or the canteen business is our first child.
Oh.
So, we also treat the business as murag yung anak namo. We take care of it. We make sure nga it grows, the business grows well. Kay yeah. About having children, especially if you are also working and then you plan to go into business. One thing I can say to you, lisod jud mag-start of business and you have to manage everything. You have to manage your time, you have to manage your resources, you have to manage also your kuan sa imong family. So it's very difficult, but you just have to go through it if you really want the business to work. Me, I encountered that. I've been working for quite a while before ko ni resign and before I concentrated sa business. And I have to work double time yun. Extra effort yun siya. Because I also have a dream. I don't want to work forever. Deep in me, ever since I was young, gusto jud ko mo go into business. And luckily, uh, I was able to accomplish that. But the path is not easy, Jude, being a negosyante. So a lot of people will say, nidot ang negosyo because you own your time. Case to case, sometimes you don't get to sleep because you think a lot. Moingon sila nga, nidot maning boss na ka kay magmandar ka sa mga tao na lang. You don't really have to do physical work. Yes, that's true at a certain point. But when you start, imo jud na siya tanan. So there's no other way. Masulti na ko, it is very hard, especially on the first 3 years. After that, it will get easier.
So if there's a will, sir,
Yes.
there's really a way.
Yeah.
Thank
you,
you,
Kaysa.
sir.
Thank
Sir,
you.
question,
Sir
Sir
Luis.
Luis.
Miss Joanna Blanca Condor.
Wow, Miss Joanna,
You can now
Miss
mute
GC
your
is
mic.
waiting.
Yes.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
Miss
sir.
Jo.
First off, no,
Evening.
during undergrad kay sa burp jud ko magpalitan sir. So why
Thank
bias
you.
sir sa burp? Ara jud ko
Plus
for may mga
points. Duha daw
plus
ang
points.
voucher.
Yung GC.
So mauna
Salamat, salamat.
magkailan na miyan na nilang Jomex. Jomex unang tawag sa mga ninda diha. But anyways, nas kuan siya kay Sir, this is just a I'm just curious, no? Okay, I have read an article last year, I think, all about the African swine fever, which was the Philippines kay naapektuhan, which resulted to a decrease of kuan mga frozen meats nga importation and even diri locally. So, knowing sir that your business is major contribution ang meat, how does this affect your business, sir? And if there is kanang challenges nga imuhang na encounter during those times, then how were you able to cope up with this?
Okay, ASF is still here. It's never gonna go away. It's like flu. I mean, it's flu. Sa baboy lang. Ang problem lang is lethal kayo siya sa baboy. It's almost, 100% mortality rate. So, yeah, mas kuyaw siya sa COVID actually. Mas lethal siya sa COVID. Yes, but at the same time, patay dyan ang baboy. May go, kita, pwede ra maglingo-lingo, no? Kung maigo sa COVID, but survival rate sa COVID is one. Now, going back to your question, how did I maneuver? So, um, it's difficult lagi, especially if you only have one supplier. So, akong kuan is, I have to make sure I have several sources or I have several suppliers kay dili jud ko ka-rely og one. Just recently, last year, the business was doing well, the prices were stable, and then suddenly around July, naigo na sad ang Cebu og ASF. And it was really terrible. It drive at first magod ang mahitabo sa kuan sa presyo sa baboy. Kung maigo ang usa ka area, it's not going up. Dive siya. So the local pork was very cheap from July to December of last year. But huwang ang supply. Weird, no? Supply and demand. Huwang siya og supply, pero barato siya because people or the farms are afraid nga basig maigo sila, mas dako sila alkansi.
Yes.
So ang solution for that is just getting several suppliers. And that's one thing good about importation.
Yes, you've made
Yes.
mention in our previous chika.
Because kanang mga areas or even countries nga naigo po GSF, the products are not allowed to get inside the Philippines. But katong mga areas like Europe, Canada, kuan sila UK, so wala sila ASF sa ilang mga farms or sa ilang mga lugar. So allowed sila to, even Brazil, so allowed sila to export to the Philippines.
Yeah, export.
So that's one thing ang advantage nato diha nga part. Karon medyo ni calm down ang ASF sa Cebu. So ang nahitabo since January, pork prices are very high. Local pork prices, I mean, because gi-allow na nila since December nga makagawas ang pork supply to other parts of the country, especially Luzon. And Luzon is really short on pork. So
pork.
yeah, supply and demand, taas yun ang prices of local pork and ni-hit kayo ron ang supply. So yeah,
balance sir ang supply and demand.
so get from different sources good, especially on this type of business. I mean, different suppliers.
Just a follow-up question,
Yes.
sir. Asa man imong dakurong concentration sa supply sa
Import.
Cebu gyud diri sa Cebu province or you
Cebu
have
province.
outside Cebu province?
In terms of supply, pork supply,
Sa local sa local.
local, yeah, Cebu ra kita.
Cebu, wala
Cebu
kay
ra.
sa other provinces na as of now wala sa kakaron.
Not really. Cebu lang
Cebu lang.
especially for chicken kay
So, north of Cebu, south of Cebu.
I don't really know. I get from distributors. So sila na
Sila
bahala
na.
ng source. Yeah.
You have distributors na.
Okay. And sir, we have another question from the chat box. We have Brian Ligarte here. Actually, murag ma-answer man ni siya, na-answer na nini mo na question, but let me just read
Acknowledge
the
the
question.
question.
How did you manage the challenges brought by the pandemic and ASF, and what are your strategies, sir?
When the pandemic hit, before the pandemic hit, I was thinking ba kung unsay mga instances nga makapasira sa burp.
Okay.
I was already thinking about that.
Kuan di ka ka ng
overthinker.
Overthinker.
Nagkunda pa ako panabot ang pandemic.
Medyo day advantage ang pagka-overthinker.
And one kuan lang yun na I was worried about because kato nga time na yung mga tension, di ba? China,
Yes.
West Philippine Sea, basin
Nagsugod na to.
magupat,
Nagsugod
na
na to.
everything ba? There's always a threat of war, naan ko. Kuyaw o magubat, sirado ang eskwelahan.
Oh,
Diba?
kuya sa.
Advanced thinking day itong term
But
akong
I never thought about a virus who we cannot see. Maura di ito'y makapasira sa burp for a while. So, it was difficult. And during that time, the economy was unstable, lockdowns here and there. That time, that time, wala ko nilihok actually. Wala ko ni venture on any other business.
Na close good.
Close good ang burp. I mean, close good kay all of the schools were closed.
Yes.
So I just waited for the right time to come back. But it took a while. I was expecting 2 weeks ingumaya to pag first, diba? 2 weeks and then 2 months.
Chap-chap man to nga quarantine
And
period.
then I'm on 6 months and then, yeah, but it took like more than 2 years before nabalik ang face-to-face. That's why when the right time came, nga na opportunity sa meat shop, that was 2021. Ni go into meat shop ko.
That's your coping app business.
Yes.
Close monthly
yes,
burp.
Close si burp. Now, I was lucky enough na I've got a different skill, which is the meat shop. I got it from working for Monterey for a few years. So I know meat retailing well.
Yeah.
So when the opportunity came, I know I could do the business. I know it's not gonna be easy, but I know I can, basically do it. So that's why I was confident into getting into meat retailing.
Testament gyud no nga every experience magamit gyud.
Magamit.
Yes,
Magamit
agree.
mo siya ang iyang
Magamit siya.
previous
Kaya
work experience
yes,
na yan na
advantage
yung
yun.
business. So
Yes.
thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you for the question.
We have a next question.
Yes, we have another one here who raised their hand. Miss Giselle, you may unmute your mic.
Hello, hi Sir Lem. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, good evening. Sir,
Ning.
ano lang sir, what can you advise to someone na 'di ba ang struggle sa kasagaran nga gusto jud mong sugod og negosyo, una kapital, sunod ganahan ta negosyo pero wa mo ko'y kapital, nya di ko gusto mangutang, etc., etc. You know, we all have that alibis. And then in my case, na ko'y idea, so ako nagi-drawing, this is how I wanna do it, blah blah blah. And then katong time na nga gusto na jud ko, murag natalawan bitaw kog kalit, sir. Murag nisod sa kuno na basin malugi ko nya. Basin what if di mo work nya ni pirma na kog kontrata nga mo rent ko ani nga location, etc., etc. So murag I don't know, all of a sudden murag nawad-an kog, I mean, not really nawad-an but maybe kuwang lang kog faith and
Please
kuwang
inspire.
sad kog tiwala sa akong kaugalingon nga kaya ko ni kay I've done like small business before, tinda-tinda ra good, like uh online ana, then kuha ko meat sad sa una and buwad intabuan, and then sometimes maabtan ko sa kung tapol, matapulan ko kalit, then ako kapoy man paninda. Mura na bitaw sir. So what can you advise to someone nga gusto jud pero all of a sudden
Inspirational message.
Bitaw, same
Ito
sad
na
ko,
lang,
sir.
sir.
Curious kay ko, ana.
Yeah,
Yes,
thank you
yes.
for that. But may I, do you mind if I ask unsa to nga business imong giplano?
Car wash, sir. Then I already
Car wash.
found kanang highway location here in Linao. The rent is around 35K a month nya, 1 year contract, and then anak ko murag na kuan kay ako na 1 year kaya ba ko ni murag ana kanya I will buy all the equipment nya, what if di na ko mabawi, then wala na. Goodbye. Then try na sad. Murag I think ara ko natalaw.
um it's very normal to get scared in any venture good, in any business venture. It's very scary good, especially when wala pa ka naka-start. Usually mo overthink manggod ka. What if mo fail. Ang atong gihadlukan is failure, right? But
Yes, yes, sir.
maybe one advice I could give is be optimistic. Kung mo go into business ka, sige lang yung kahadlok. Kung dili dyan mo matake ang fear ba, then maybe you need to find something else to do. Kay business is really scary. Ang success rate is very low, especially on startups. Most startups close within the first 3 or 5 years sa negosyo. Lisod yun na siya yung maneuver, no? But on the other side, you just need to do your homework. Actually, gamit kaning masteral, no? Isa sa atong mga topics or isa sa atong mga subjects. I don't know if na-take up na nimo kaning strategic management, di ba? Usa ka topic anang strategic management is SWOT analysis, di ba? Kung na siya tabang. You just need to do your homework. The figures, so pilay expected nimo nga sales, pilay expected nimo nga expenses, pilay investment. And then simple math raman gud ma-compute ra siya ba, plus minus times divide raman basically. So na lang kay forecast. But still, even with that, it's not an assurance that business will thrive, di ba? Katong imuhang other question about funding nga okay puhunan. Yeah, gamay rata ang giswerte siguro nga naagi tay funding when we start the business. Kami ni Ems, when we started, as what I said ganina, nanguwam jud mig money. And it's very scary nga base dili ko kabayad. What is businessman in essence kung man ka on the capitalization side? It's just capital generation over and over again. So ang imong first challenge is how to get that capital. If you makasolve ka na nga problem on how to get funding or how to earn capital, di ba? Imo lang na siya i-repeat, get more capital and get more capital. Sa'yo na lang na siya later on. In terms of your confidence level, what I do, ako na personal, I don't know if ma-apply ni mo. For me to get confident, no, I just really need to do my homework. So if everything is covered, gamitay mo pagka-overthinker, murag ako, nga I have lots of sleepless nights thinking of the possibilities nga asa pwede mo fail ang business and counter it. I will try to counter it first sa akong mind before implementing it. Kay once masolve na ko in my mind, in the planning stage, there's a big chance that the business will succeed. So more or less covered na nako ang mga what ifs sa business. But then again, in terms of imong feelings about scared ka, it's very normal. But you just have to go through it if you really want that business to succeed. If mo fail ka, you're still very young. You can still recover. And maybe you will learn from that mistakes. Nga nung ni fail on the first time, maybe the business model is not sakto, maybe the location is not right. There are a lot of possibilities. So that's one of my advices good po nga. You have to start young. Okay. You will encounter a lot of mistakes.
Yes.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you.
Salamat, sir. Salamat.
Miss
you, sir.
Giselle. I think we have
another.
last two
We
questions.
have another question from the chat box. Sir, how do you manage or treat or handle customer complaints with regard to the food?
We all encounter that, especially sa food business, not really from dili lang kay sa burp, no. Also in the meat shop, there are sometimes there are valid concerns, but there are also not valid concerns. Kanang we cannot really say nga kuan kay lisod man sagud ko anon kay customer is always right lagi daw. So you just have to handle it calmly. Listen to the customer side first kung unsay iyang sentimento ba sa iyang complaints, when did it happen, unsa nga products iyang gi-sell or unsa iyang gi-buy, and try to stay calm. And you also need to kuan kanang let the customer also feel ba na you are concerned pod sa iyang feelings or iyang problema or iyang kuan kanang complain ba nga iyang gihatag sa imuha. Sometimes if kaya nato ma-defend, kaya nato makuan kung this and that nganong naingon ana da, then it's okay. But sometimes mao lagi na magpakulata ta. We just have to take the yaw-yaw of the customer, and maybe most often, especially sa food business, we just need to replace whatever she bought
I'm
with
about to
something
ask
else.
that.
Yeah.
Ilisan yun yung
Ilisan
item,
yun na to.
sir.
Uh, Kuan, we just need to validate first sa issue, and then para wala kuan gyud is it's OP na maguna. We just need to replace.
We have another question from the
Thank
chat box from John Armado. Hi, Sir Lams. As a meat shop operator, how do you manage and control the risk and African swine fever, especially in here in Cebu, na taas kaayo ang cases, then supply of meat is very affected. Did you implement some biosecurity?
Okay, the biosecurity issue is handled by the farms and respective government offices. Dili na makagawas ang baboy for retail if wala na necessary permits.
Oh.
If the farm is affected, it will not the hogs will never be accepted sa slaughterhouse and into the retail stores. So naanay mga government bodies who takes care of that. Sa atoa magod kay receiving end magod ta. So sa atoa receiving end, we just have to make sure that we get from suppliers nga limpyo sad.
So in short, sir, mas wala na kay labad sa inyong farm.
Yes, bahin
Dito ra
sa
sa farm.
ang ASF is normally from the farm.
Ah.
You heard man siguro na uso kay culling, so they need to get rid of all those hogs sa farm nga affected para dili na mo contaminate on other areas. So basically, when we buy supplies from kanang safe or accredited nga mga sources, especially from accredited pod nga mga slaughterhouses, it's generally safe naman sad.
So just another input, sir. So like me, I'm a mother, or those are doing their grocery, murag na day medyo peace of mind.
Yes, of course.
Nga pagpalit na mo diyan sa supermarket, as in cleared na.
Sa supermarket, they are very strict with permits.
Thank you.
We cannot dili masulod. They will not accept naman sila receiving area, and they check all the permits. They will not accept your product, my supplies, if kulang mig documents.
Management po sa supermarket, sir.
Yes,
po
sa
sila yung
management.
clearance.
Yeah,
Thank
of
you.
course. So, dili na siya. Even if there are several times nga na problems, example, I have a supplier, when they deliver it to supermarkets, there's a problem with their delivery trucks, example. It's not cold. It's supposed to be cold. So it's not cold. The supermarket will automatically reject the delivery.
Oh, okay.
So, naanay tay mga safety
filters na
measures
ba?
sa supermarket. So,
Good
it's
to know.
practically safe.
That's good.
Thank you for that question,
Thank
Sir
you,
John.
Sir
Kaya
John.
naka-learn
Thank
po
you.
me.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a last.
I think we're running out of
question.
time. We'll entertain one more
Last
question, Miss Anne.
Yes, from Sir Ergie. Despite the competition in the meat shop or food business, how did you cope up with it?
Competition is very tough. And doing a meat shop, especially meat retailing, is also very, very hard. I cannot really explain it kanila nga setting because we're running out of time. It's very hard. Siguro, one very important factor, no? Why I am, succeeding in this meat retail industry is because of my skills and knowledge of the business itself. Kabaon ako sa pasikot-sikot sa business even before I started this. Because I was with Monterrey.
43 outlets, right? Napabalo na jud, sir.
Very challenging siya. Daghan kaayo og avenues or factors nga mo fail ang meat retail. It's not always about selling or the volume that you sell. It's more of the margins nga imong ma-maximize. If you want to talk about that, I can do it separately. Istorya lang ta, bahin na sa meat retail.
And message.
Yeah. But yeah, okay, it's taas bang
Long
siya.
process.
Yes, we
Yeah.
understand,
But yeah,
sir.
kuhan lang yun. You have to know your business well. Especially sa meat retailing. So because it's very difficult. Ayaw dasmag-dasmag just because you think nga people will buy your pork because people will eat. If you don't know how to navigate the meat retail, dako gyud chance of failure. So I see that with my other competitors. I can see that everywhere nga they might be selling more than me, but I am earning more than them. So, Mona, we can talk if you like. We can talk about that.
Thank you,
Thank
Sir
you, Sir
Lance. I
Lance.
wish we have more time with this,
This,
no? Kay medyo
yes.
daghan pa jud. Even me personally, daghan pa jud ako gusto ipangutana, but then given the time frame that we have right now, so we just like to end this and maybe to sum it up, Sir Lems, any important life lesson, business lessons that you can impart
Yes.
as an ender.
Please, sir.
What can you advise to future entrepreneurs or those still planning? What business insights you, if you have to summarize it, just you can share it to the audience.
Well, first of all, I would say you have to start early. Start early. Start young. I mean,
Start young.
because the
Start
business
young.
skills will you will not. There's a lot of things, Mango, that you need to learn and experience by yourself before you could say nga kanang you are equipped to handle business. So I myself, I've been without even me realizing it. I started very young. I like example, I used to work sa business akong uncles, akong aunties during Christmas breaks, summer breaks. Even me sa akong family before, we also tried to get into business, mga RTWs or other things. We deliver with my father. We took the bus and we deliver stuff sa north and south of Cebu. Yeah, all of those kanang daghan ko na absorb. So starting early, obviously will give you enough time to learn and to make a lot of mistakes and learn from it. So, Mona, number two, for startups, um, there are para na ko no, there are only two things nga you really kuan katong gi question ni Jusel ganina. Isa to sa mga kuan kanang very important factor, fear, no? And kuan. Two things, grit and common sense. Kung startup, yeah, you just have to go through it. Bisag kapoy, bisag lisod, bisag scary. You just have to go through it knowing there's something better for you at the end of the journey or on the other side. Common sense. Kung makapalit pa lang kog daghan common sense, no? Palit pili kog daghan. Diwa may baligya. So next would be good mentors. I'm also lucky enough nga ako mga bosses before were very good mentors and we still remain good friends now.
Oh, that's good.
Sometimes kung
Networking.
wa na jud.
Yeah,
Ang down na
have
jud ko.
networking.
Blanco na kong utok. I don't know what to do anymore. I talk to them. They are not just good in businesses. They are also good in life lessons. They're like, some of them are like 70 years old now. Inana ba? Okay, lagi. Bosses man ako before, no? But that's very important. Learn from the
Meaningful
experiences.
connections.
Yeah. Meaningful connections and learn from other people's experiences also. Then start simple. When you start a business, start simple. Kanang dili man need na complicated. Sometimes you only need one product. That's it.
Oh.
I have a friend, insert lang na ako. Usa lang yung product. Kanang tari sa manok. Simple, di ba? What's so complicated about that? But he is supplying sa tanang aggregate supply all over the Philippines.
Hindi man
Wow.
na.
Usa lang ka product, di ba? It doesn't have to be complicated, di ba? Just one product, one good product. Keep it simple.
So, keep it simple.
When I started, di ba, when I said we started with French fries, one product.
Yes.
We develop another one, sandwiches. Still simple thing, di ba? I think everyone knows how to make a simple sandwich. So
Yes.
simple, keep it simple. Para sa'yo ra po di-control, sa'yo ra
Yeah,
i-manage.
true.
Yeah, and build from it.
Mm.
Yeah. If you look at my business, kuan, um, it's all simple business. It's just small businesses. Daghan lang siguro na. I was able to scale it up, but it's very simple businesses. So, mo na, sa'yo na lang i-scale. And then, when you start, you just have to enjoy the process. Mo lang yun. Enjoy the process. Ayaw kahadlok kung may challenges along the way. That's part of it. Um, you have to think infinitely, infinite mindset. Kaya dili man ni siya sprint. You would like to stay on that business for a long time. So you have to conserve your energy also. So you have to think infinitely. What's next? What's next? What's next? Dili kay when you achieve a certain goal, that's it. So you just have to continue, to continue, to continue. And enjoy each challenge and also siyempre successes. Dili man na nato pwede i-neglect ang mga successes. So, next is focus. So, somebody asked ganina about, lagi, we have a family na, we are working, and then magdo business pa ta. But you just need to spend time sa business. Focus on what do you think is more important to you. If you think business good ang imuhang purpose or imuhang journey, no, or unsa imong gusto nga profession, imong passion, then focus on it. If ma-out of focus man tayo, if we are distracted on different things, bati mo good siya. It's not gonna happen for you good ang business, especially on the start sa imong business journey. Yeah, you need to be there. Next, when your business will, expand na, so good you need to assemble a good team, a great team. Um, please don't pretend na you know everything. The people who will be working for you, you have to assume nga naasad sila ay makontribute sa imuhang business. So, I don't pretend I know everything about meat retailing. I don't pretend I know everything about managing the canteens. I learn a lot from my employees also. We always brainstorm unsay mga pwede mahitabo. Especially sa mga comments or mga si tawagan na mga suggestions from the field. Yeah. Importante gyud na kayo. And last no, not lastly, one of the last, take care of your health. Very important.
Health is wealth.
Health is wealth. Tinood yun na. Why I say that? When we are young, manggod, like sa inyong age, Miss Anne, sila? Kita di ay. Kita di ay.
Come on.
Kita di ay.
Something.
20 plus, you feel invulnerable. You don't get sick often. You have lots of energy. Kato nga time, bisag every night pa ko maghubog every morning. Okay ra gyud kay I was young. But as you get older, you will feel the difference. And you have to start young about sa fitness. You don't start
Fitness,
kung
yeah.
na kay gipamati.
Yeah.
So,
Patay.
before you know it, 40 plus na ka and you have lots of problems na with health. And if your body surrenders or kuan, there's nothing you can do about it. You're not gonna be productive. Bisag kung sa ka-bright, wala joy kay mahimo if your health suffers.
So
And
lastly,
atong topic last time,
wow.
attitude of gratitude. Be very
Thank you.
thankful for
Always
the
unparalleled.
big and the small graces nga moabot nato.
Yes.
Yeah, basically that's it.
Be grateful.
Be grateful
And
always, guys.
we are very grateful for tonight, Sir Lems, with
Thank you
all
so
your
much.
sharings.
I've
I
learned
think
a lot. It's so productive.
this has
kay-
been very informative night for me, Anne.
so educational.
And now I'm ready for my synthesis. Oh, kidding, kidding.
Mga pito na ko
Sir Lems, again, thank you. Thank you, and your wife here. Thank you for your sharing.
Your husband.
Yes, later on. Thank you so much, Sir Lems. We wish you all the success in your
Thank you,
future
thank you.
endeavor.
Thank you,
You as
Thank
well.
you. Yes, and thank you everyone for your active participation. And What's next, Miss Anne? Yes. Thank you very much for your participation. This is Go Magnegosyo.
This is Anne.
This is Karen. And this is Go Magnegosyo.
Okay, very good, Karen.
Go
and
Magnegosyo
Ann.
would like to thank the following. To our God Almighty for the gift of wisdom, talent, and good health. Dr. Edgar Detoya, CPA, for his guidance and support. Burps Snack Bar. Cebu Harvest Meats. Campo Carne. Cebu Harvest Food Supply Trading. Special thanks to USJR Graduate School. Sir Kent, editor/videographer. Miss Caraz, assistant editor. Miss Anne and Miss Karen, host/scriptwriter. And Sir Lemuel, resource speaker. Adelante. Go Magnegosyo would like to thank the following. To our God Almighty for the gift of wisdom, talent, and good health. Dr. Edgar Detoya, CPA, for his guidance and support. Burps.
Yay! Thank you. Ken, come here.
You can.
Thank you everyone for listening to our talk show. This is our pilot episode.
Father Blasting venue. Father Blast?
Yes.
Yeah.
Utilize the
Why don't you
resources.
consider opening a YouTube channel ba? And then ang title is Go Negosyo. And what you do is interview entrepreneurs and make them share their success stories, no?
Wow, yeah.
Negosyo na po na in itself, no? Kaya you can earn from it.
Yes.
YouTube
Basin po
channel.
na to mga classmates, magka-negosyo. We will interview you
And then
guys.
you take
Pilot
turns in
episode.
hosting, no? Oo.
Pilot episode pa ni Doc.
And then, by the way, Lemuel, I also buy food from Burp, no?
Wow,
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.
I don't know that you own it, no? Okay, so I should buy more.
Kita siya magpa-interview, Doc. Kay madlock siya may bawaan.
And then, Josel, hadlok ka magnegosyo, no? Kaya you always ask the question, what if I fail? You shift the focus. What if I succeed?
Yes.
Focus.
Thank you, Doc.
Sige, again, congratulations, no? Group 3. Okay.
Thank you,
Well
Doc.
done, no? So, we only have one group left, Group 4, no? Group 4, what's the final topic that you will be having next week?
Our final topic, Doc, is budgeting, saving, and financial
So
planning.
it's the same topic that you gave earlier. Okay, very good, no? So that's the last webinar or show to be hosted by the masteral class, no? So actually, as of now, or by now, you can already start preparing the synthesis, no? So that by end of March, you can already submit everything, okay? So it has been a wonderful show. I've also learned from it. I'm also inspired by the success story of Mr. Lemuel Po, no? Okay, so have a restful evening, everyone. Congratulations. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye-bye,
everyone.
Thank you.